Hey everyone, want to download Geometry Dash on your Android phone? Let me show you how to get it. Alright, so first, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Just tap that colorful triangle icon to get started. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Geometry Dash. Hit search and you'll see the results pop up. Now here's the thing, there are actually multiple Geometry Dash games. You'll see the main game just called Geometry Dash, plus some other versions like Geometry Dash Lite, Geometry Dash Meltdown, and Geometry Dash World. The main Geometry Dash game is a paid app. It costs a few dollars, but if you want to try it for free first, grab Geometry Dash Lite. It's the free version with some levels to get you started. Let's say you want the full version. Tap on Geometry Dash by RobTop Games. You'll see the price listed. Tap on it to purchase. Once you confirm the payment through your Google account, the game starts downloading. This usually takes just a minute or two depending on your internet. After it downloads, it'll install automatically. When you see play or open instead of the price, that means it's ready. And that's it. Now you can start playing and trying to beat those crazy difficult levels. Good luck, you're gonna need it.